Hello there, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In this demo, we will look into the leave feature which is present in Essentials and Human Resource Management module for Ultimate POS. So it's an optional module for Ultimate POS which comes with management of leaves, attendance, payroll, holidays, documents, memos, reminders and lot of different features. And it's also compatible to the SAS and Super Admin module for Ultimate POS. So it's an optional module for this particular application, which is Ultimate POS. So we will go to our admin, which we will go to our demo website, which is pos.ultimatefosters.com, and I will log in with the essentials and HRM login over here. I will click on this and again I will click on the login button. So here we can see we have an HRM module. There are two different menus related to leave, which is leave type and leave. So we will first go into the leave type. In this leave type you can add different type of leaves which is available in your organization or in your business. So here we have festival leaves, maternity leaves, other sick leaves, vacation leaves, and we can add any amount of different leaves over here. Let me add a leave, demo leave, just for demonstration purpose. So I can add a maximum amount of leave which any employees can take. So many times we want to restrict our employees from taking different leaves. So here we can add some restrictions, like if suppose I want any only two demo leaves to be taken per month. So I can add a value 2 over here and I can select the current month, or if it is 2 leaves, maximum leaves for the current financial year, I can select the current financial year. If I will select the none, then it will allow only 2 leaves for the entire life cycle of this particular of any of the users. So let me click on the 2 leaves for the current month and save this. So what this will do is it will only allow 2 demo leaves, or like in this case it will allow only 2 festival leaves per month. So here in the leaves, different leaves types, we can add different leaf types over here. So let us go to the leaves. Here in this leaves, admin can manage different leaves like approve, disapprove, or cancel leaves for different users, and also can add leaves for different users. So if I will click on the add leave, I can select the leave type over here. I can select the start date and end date from here. I can add some reason over here and click on the save button. So here you can see this leave is currently added by me and it is showing a status as pending. So admin he can click on this and he can like approve or cancel the leave. So let me click on here and let me approve the leave and let me add some note and update this one. So after this leave has been updated, I can, if I will go to the activity log, you can see all the different activities log related to this particular leave. Let me just log in with a non-admin account, which is a cashier account or any different account. So after I have logged in with the cashier account, so cashier they can add a leave here. He will go to the HRM section and in the leaves, I will click on add a new leave. I will select sick leave and start date is 20th to 21. Or let me add it as a maternity leave from or a vacation leaves from this to this and add some reason. Okay, so after this leave has been added, like it will have a default status of pending, and here it will show all the different activity log. So after the cashier has added a leave, it will send a notification to the admin that this and this user has added a leave, and they can like approve or disapprove the leave. So let me just sign out from this user and let me log in with the admin account. So if I will go to the admin account once again, here in the admin account, you can see we have notifications over here like Mr. Demo Cashier applied for a leave. The reference number is this and this, which is applied 32 seconds ago. Let me click on this particular leave. So it will show me the list of all different leaves. So this reference number is this, leave type is vacation, employees demo cashier, applied from this and this to this and this date, which is 2 days. The region is this. I can select this. I can click on this status button over here and approve, or like I can cancel this leave. So if I will click on the approve of leave, so after this leave has been approved, it will send again a notification to this particular user that the admin has approved the leave. So if I will click on the update, the status has been changed. If I will look into the activity log, you can see all the different activity logs related to this particular leave. So let me just, here we have different filters. Let me just filter by this particular demo cashier or any of this user. Admin essentials. So here after I have filtered by any of this particular employee, it will show me all the different summary of leaves over here, like vacation leaves, sick leaves. The pending is 3, approved is for 3 days, cancel is 0, maximum allowed for this one is not applicable. Similarly, it will show all the different summary over here, like what are different pending, approved, cancel, and the maximum allowed leaves for all the different types over here. So in this way you can easily manage, like you can approve or cancel leave, and you can view a summary of all different leaves for different employees. You can also like filter the leaves with leave status. You can filter the leaves with the leave type, or you can view the leave within a particular date range, like if suppose for this particular year or this month or yesterday, or like any of this particular date range, I can view all the different leaves for different users. So it's a very useful feature to manage leaves and within your organization. So that's all in the leave feature for Ultimate POS. Do subscribe to our channel to receive all the different updates on all the different notifications related to all the modules which we are working for Ultimate POS. Thank you.